Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw for your oven. The reason why you'd have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4 inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we need to go to the back of our oven, so we're going to turn it around. So you'll see on the back of our panel we've got these 3 screws up here. There's one in this corner, and we're obviously missing one in this corner. So grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we're just going to screw that into place. There we go, and now the console is nice and tight there. There we go. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug it in, and your repair is complete. Show me a piano falling down a mine shaft, and I'll show you a flat miner. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.